Another day, another story. Hello everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use the benefits of GitHub Student Developer Pack. If you are a student looking to build your skills and enhance your portfolio, then this guide is for you. With GitHub Student Developer Pack, you have access to a range of tools and resources that will help you grow your knowledge and take your development skills to the next level. Step 1. The first step is to sign up for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. This is a completely free resource available to all students. Simply go to the GitHub website and sign up using your student email address. Step 2. Once you have signed up, you will have access to a wide range of benefits. Some of these include access to top tools like GitHub Pro, Visual Studio Code, and AWS Educate. In this video, we will focus on how to use GitHub Pro. Step 3. To use GitHub Pro, simply log into your GitHub account and click on the Upgrade button in the top right corner. You will then be able to access all the features of GitHub Pro, including unlimited private repositories, advanced code review tools, and more. Step 4. Now that you have access to GitHub Pro, it's time to start using it. First, create a new repository to store your code. Give your repository a name and a description, and select whether you want it to be public or private. Step 5. Once you have created your repository, you can start adding your code. You can either upload existing code, or start coding directly in the GitHub editor. When you have added your code, you can use GitHub's code review tools to get feedback and make improvements. Step 6. GitHub also allows you to collaborate with other developers on projects. You can invite others to contribute to your repository, or you can contribute to someone else's. This is a great way to build your skills and work on real-world projects with other developers. Step 7. Finally, you can use GitHub to showcase your portfolio and share your projects with potential employers. Simply make your repositories public, and include a README file with a description of your projects. You can also add links to your portfolio website or other social media accounts. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to use the benefits of GitHub Student Developer Pack. With these tools and resources at your disposal, you can take your development skills to the next level and build a portfolio that will help you stand out in the job market. Good luck.